You build a beautiful business, you've got nice, new, beautiful equipment. You just have one problem with this day and age. Your labor force is disappearing. So what do we do to keep our business ahead of the times? It's time to get on the interweb and find a solution. You search and search, you find a small company called I Dig Best with machine control and total labor replacement. You order the system, it comes to you, get your equipment ready, you start putting it on, you look at the videos, you can call Phil 7 days a week for any help, unlimited. You can also have Phil come out and help you install, calibrate, and train. It's just how much help you need and what you'd like to do. So after a little bit of training, you can go out and dig swimming pools, you can dig footings, houses, anything labor-free, and you can dig it no matter what the weather is because you don't have to get out of your cab. Imagine all the other advantages like not worrying about OSHA anymore, insurance going way down, not worrying about your labor coming to work if you're going to be able to do your job. It's amazing how much more money you'll make, how much easier, and how much safer your company will be. Don't let your laborers hold you hostage. Erase them out of your business with I Dig Best.